Hello, I am.
Hello, sir. Good
Good evening.
evening.
How are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
Great, I'm doing good. Nice. Excited. Super excited for you all.
Yeah, it feels different on the other side after becoming a CA.
That's it. Great, great.
And all because of your efforts, Sana, sir. You helped us throughout this journey from 12th standard to CA final. I know how I've been through all those 5 years and how you guys have helped me throughout. So I know like this journey was super amazing and now it feels different being on the other side with all those professionals.
Superb, superb. Nee, that is a, I'll say, overnight change that happens the moment you get a degree.
Right, sir.
And when you get this, you can say the most coveted and most uh, premium one in commerce
Correct.
specifically. And the moment prefix comes, suddenly people look you in a very different way. So, wow,
Right.
and people
Correct.
taking your feedback, uh, people respecting your words,
Right.
and yeah, basically. So,
Correct.
great efforts. And the main purpose of this session is like, as I
Hmm.
used to like, to inspire more young aspirants of chartered
Right.
accountants, any other course, which is
Correct.
equally and people start after
Right.
try, they lose attempt and they feel this is not possible and this is unachievable. ऐसा बहुत लोगों को लगता है. So we want to just put that understanding or get things right, saying कि बहुत से
Right.
नहीं होता है. It's all
Correct.
your mental strength and willpower to do things.
Right.
And
Proper hard work will take you till the end. You just have to do it.
right, exactly. So we like to, uh, क्या बोलते हैं? We request you to share your ups, downs, and how you overcame it. You know, मेरा एक ही क्वेश्चन है सब भाई, जर्नी में आप हुआ क्या डाउन हुआ और आप किस तरह से
I
uh,
pulled myself back, hitting, and then how I.
you
Right.
need like you need not ऐसा specifically say failure हो गया ये attempt में ऐसा कुछ बोलने की.
Right.
Just you had a tough time and now you bounced back. That's it.
Correct. So, like after completing my CA studies, like after the classes, so मेरा कैसे था sir कि I didn't have a plan. When I had that 5 months का leave, उसके पहले it was all COVID. So it was
Correct.
like completely blank कि how should I start? And I was not in connection with my seniors too. So मेरे पास particularly कोई plan नहीं था. So I decided to first talk to my seniors and then seniors के साथ साथ your teachers who have taught you over all these 3 years. Like Mensa, उसमें जितने भी teachers थे, they are always 24/7. I can say whenever they have time, you can message them on WhatsApp. You can call them whenever they are free with any doubt they will always come sure with a solution. So there's no doubt कि आप अपने टीचर्स के पास कोई चीज के लिए नहीं जा सकते हो कि
Right.
आपका चाहे टाइम टेबल हो या स्टडीज हो या कुछ भी हो. एवरी टाइम योर टीचर्स आर विथ यू, योर सीनियर्स आर विथ यू. यू हैव टू टेक एक्सपीरियंस विद एवरीवन. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि एक दो लोगों से कुछ नहीं होता. एंड पर्टिकुलरली आई वांट टू से दिस थिंग कि सब लोग सोचते हैं कि कोई एक का कुछ बोला ना किसी ने तो लेट्स फॉलो दैट थिंग. It's not done like that. Everyone has their own experience, own ups and downs. You have to gather it together and prepare your own. So everyone is different in their unique way. It's not like कि आप एक का सुन के उसका ही strategy follow करोगे. So
Right.
um, I almost finished all my classes before my study leave. So when my study leave actually started, so the first two things I found difficult was SFM and costing because those two things was like कि बहुत पहले I did it like 2 years back. So I had to revise each and every concept again. But this other thing was with DT and IDT, I was able to do it like perfectly because I just finished it before the study leave. So one thing I want to recommend every student, keep revising it. Though 1 or 2 hours every day, keep revising it. अगर आप ये नहीं करते हो, definitely you're gonna say face problems during your study leave. Though, so most important thing is you keep revising every day before your study leave. 2 hours be a 1 hour. Definitely please do that. And the other thing is keep try making notes every time. Audit. audit is a kind of a subject where you get easily dried up with. So
Correct.
to keep up with the particular topic, you have to always like prepare 2 hours every day. Nobody is
Correct.
saying you कि 6 घंटा बैठो एक सब्जेक्ट को लेके, ऐसा बिल्कुल मत करो. And regarding the hours also I will talk about further. But audit के लिए I would definitely recommend people कि every day sit for 2 hours, prepare notes. हैंड रिटन नोट्स भी खुद का बनाओ चलेगा. नो वन इज यू वोंट बी श्योर अगर आप किसी और का नोट्स लेके बना कुछ लिख रहे हो या कर रहे हो. Better make your own notes, so it would be like really helpful for you to proceed with it. So there were like 33 34 standards. We know audit में कितने standard होते हैं. So what I did was my strategy, because I made notes for each and every standards. मेरे पास मेरे खुद के handwritten notes थे, and for topics also I had my own notes. So the audit is one of the topic, like subject which will kind of disturb you till the end, but you have to fight through it.
Correct.
And regarding other topics for DT, I think Siddharth Surana sir's book is like really superb. So you don't have to study else, something else, but ठीक है, institute का module is must for every subject. Institute का module you have to do. And regarding ours, I would be talking about was कि when people ask me कि तो कितना hours पढ़ता था, like how do you cope up with it? So I would always say that, see, it doesn't matter how much hours you study. I used to sit from morning 11 till night 3 o'clock, but it doesn't make any difference for the people who sit from morning 9 to 10 o'clock in the night. You just take half an hour break every time, like 3 breaks of half an hour, it's fine. But what every people have a different study strategy. But you have to set targets every day, set timetables every day. I know that timetable won't work out. Every time your timetable you prepare it, it would fail in 10 days or something or the other, but keep preparing it. At the end, you will find out that timetable has actually succeeded. And so that you won't even feel कि अरे मेरा टाइम टेबल 10 दिन पहले कुछ और था, आज कुछ और हो गया. And last 2.5 month strategy I would definitely talk about is कि complete your studies within that 3 months, so that at least last 2 months में you are able to give all mock test papers. Give all the papers if wherever you want, like Mensa also have a particular timetable test. If you want to give it over there you can ask professors at Mensa to, like Shiva sir always helps you out for costing, and there are dedicated teachers for every subject over there. So you can ask everyone कि कैसे क्या handle करना है. Mock test papers I would recommend ICA का mock test paper you should give it, because that really helps. Though to one जो भी, and without writing any papers don't go for giving exams. Without practice don't go for giving exam, because वो like it won't work out in the exam. You will feel कि चलो आज बैठ के लिखते हैं first time paper में और clear हो जाएगा. It won't help out.
Perfect. Thank you, Ayan. Fantastic. And I'll just summarize very important things you said. Please approach your teachers. Don't hesitate to talk to them and ask them कि भाई मैंने ऐसा सोचा है, ये मेरा स्ट्रेटेजी है, आपका क्या ओपिनियन है ऑन द सब्जेक्ट, ऑन द शेड्यूल. Thank you very much, and I acknowledge that. And also, जैसे आपने बोला कि not necessary how many hours you study, the more important is quality produce करते हो आप उस hours में. That's very
How
very
much you're rating?
yeah. मतलब वो होता है ना 24 hours है तो 23 hours पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं है, 24 पढ़ने
नहीं है बिल्कुल नहीं.
आप 7-8
Human body, you need rest every time.
you have to be very productive, and for that you need to take regular breaks. Perfect.
Correct.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Anand. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for all the efforts. Because of you, I think we people are over here. You have helped us throughout my 12th standard. I still remember that first day I came to Mensa. So that journey till this time, 2016, and today it's 2021. So I can still like remember that part.
Thank you very much, Anand. I'm really blessed to be part of your life and
Thank you, sir.
doing whatever small way we could. So thank you very much. So see you soon.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
So next we have Chinmay. Chinmay Patri. So we'll request Chinmay to join. Thank you, Devesh Jain, for expressing your gratitude. Thank you very much, Devesh. Yes, Chinmay.
Hello, sir. Hi. Hi.
Hi. Chinmay?
I directly logged in from here. I got a request from Mensa. I was looking through Ayan's interview, and it was actually inspiration. So, congratulations to him as well. You know.
Yeah, thank you, Chinmay. And as I said, I have my question always is the same question for everybody. Like, भाई आपका ups, down किस तरह आपने संभाला और किस तरह से आपने उससे बाहर आके सब कुछ पाया? Because you all have proved कि nothing is impossible and everything is possible by hard work, whether it is pandemic, a normal situation, but things can happen with your willpower, your determination. Yeah, आपने prove कर दिया, so very very proud of you, Chinmay. And please share,
Thank you so much.
yeah, share the inner strength, inner power of yours, your strategy.
Yes, yes, sir. So as Aryan also said, my journey as a CA professional started from Mensa at 11th standard itself. I was in Thane Mensa branch, and the first lecture was yours actually, and it was accountancy. I remember it everything about it, and it was very amazing. I knew that I wanted to do CA from the start itself, but that one push, you need that one push. And I think by 11th standard and 12th standard itself, I got that. And the subjects were very interesting and everything. And actually, in 12th standard, when you changed us, you started teaching us maths and costing and stuff like that. I was like, why is he not teaching accountancy? Then I realized that no, actually, his forte is in costing and stuff like that. But it was like actually very nice from the start itself. And CPT IPCC for me was really like not very difficult as well to clear, because we had time, like 6 7 months to study or stuff like that. So it was I started studying from a long time. Like you have to start from the classes when they teach you. You have to start at the same time. I used to wake up very early, like 5 a.m. and stuff like that, just to study. So that started from IPCC, like the habit to wake up at 5 a.m. So yeah, the IPCC was very good. Like actually, it was nice. After that came CA final, and the real problem or the issue start here itself, because you have to also manage your articleship and your studies and your classes at the same time. Weekend classes and stuff like that. So what I would encourage everyone is that to study like at least 2 hours a day during your articleship at like last 1 year or so. If it is 1.5 years is what I think, before your exam you have to start studying like at least 1.5 years. And then 2 hours, 1 hour, 2 hour regularly I started studying, and it was like very amazingly it was going on. And we got the study leave, and the long hours started, like the 10 to 12 hours studying with very limited breaks. And we were actually doing all right, but the COVID situation happened. And that was a very, very sad part of our life, because the exam got postponed, and we were not quite sure like when the exam would be. It was very, very bad, because my first attempt was November 2020, wherein I cleared the second group, and I did not clear because of SFM, wherein I got 34. That was really a very sad point of my life, and I started questioning myself, and literally everything about me I was questioning, and I became sad and used to spend a lot of time in that. But still, I would say like we have to study regular hours during the leave, and every time we can take small breaks. It is all right, but then the study thing should not change. Like we should not be one day we'll take an entire break, and like it should not happen like that. Whatever you can, you must study, even if in the future attempts it might happen that exam gets postponed and stuff like that. So it is just like you study like you are kitna bhi you can. It is like 3 hours, 4 hours you can. It is like all right, no matter. Like you just continue doing that. But it was difficult for me. After that, what happened was during my May attempt. Like now I cleared. I'm a qualified CA right now. I focused more on modules, the Mensa notes, everything like that. For DT, I think Siddharth sir was very amazing. His the no notes, which handwritten notes, and everything was good. Costing was very good. Like from you, it was actually very, very, very amazing. So yeah, from that onwards, from November 20 to May 21, I was a little sad, but I focused a lot and I started studying very nicely. I started modules, Mensa stuff, and the change happened. Like I had 34 in November 24 to 20 attempt. Now I had 84 in SFM. So it was like a very very nice thing, and yeah, that was very amazing. I still I'm in shock that yeah, I'm a CA. Still when someone says that it is not a surreal experience. So I would actually like to thank you, like Mensa stuff, everything, everyone who helped me in this journey, the teachers, everyone. You could actually ask them for the doubt. Many of the professors gave us their phone number. You can, you could text them or call them directly if you had any query or something like that. So that was very amazing. Thank you for that.
Thank you, Chinmay. Very nice. Just a summary of what you said. Regular studies, very, very correct, Chinmay. That was very visible in your performance in the class also. We could always see you being alert, you are answering, the way you used to answer. So we were very clear कि भाई ये बंदा घर से काम करके आता है and बहुत uh, that was
Yeah, as I told you, like after every classes, I think it was must to study for 1 hour or 2 hour, whatever you can. Every day is like what?
very well said message. I think anybody who is seeing this session or will be seeing it would very clearly hear that classes के बाद मैं रोज पढ़ता था. Very important message, and that used to reflect in my. You could see the reflection that in your lecture. Number one. Another important thing which you said is ऐसा मत करो कि 2 दिन कर लिया फिर 1 दिन ब्रेक कर लिया.
Yes, exactly.
You do at least next day if you are not feeling good to do it, but at least do something. 2 hours, 3 hours. Regularity is a must.
This was a major concern for us during the postponements of attempts, sir. What used to happen was we thought, okay, the exam would be in May, but no, then the exam is in June. Like, what am I going to do? We used to take 1 2 day break, like, okay, 1 week break. Then we used to start study. And this kept happening. I think 4 times our exam got postponed. So that was that was a major thing. But in the end, it all worked out.
आप लोग बहुत टफ टाइम से गुजर चुके हैं, बट आप लोग ने ये प्रूव कर दिया कि भाई हम एकदम टफ है और आगे जिंदगी में बहुत कामयाबी पाएंगे.
Yes, sir. Actually.
We are very, very proud of you and very super happy that we played a role in your success. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for this. And in case I get a job or anything like that, as I said, I'll absolutely contact you. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Next we have Harsh. Harsh Gudka. Yes. Yes, Harsh, welcome.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Harsh. Yeah, welcome. Harsh.
Hello.
Namaste.
Namaste, sir. Hello, everyone who are watching this session. I would like to thank Mansa and entire team for inviting us and giving us a platform to share also our side of story.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. And जैसा बोला मैंने चिन्मय को ही बोला, आयन को ही बोला कि अगर आप किसी का, एक जन का भी लाइफ इस सेशन से ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाता है, हेल्प हो जाता है, तो बढ़िया है।
Yes.
एंड प्लीज आप
Mhm.
तो क्या बोले, आप लोग एकदम टफ लोग हैं, रियल लाइफ टफ सिचुएशन से बाहर आए, अनप्रिडिक्टेबल सिचुएशन से बाहर आए एंड सक्सेस पाया है। तो ये सक्सेस का बहुत महत्व है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सक्सेस। तो जो भी आपका एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ फाइटिंग बैक, जो आप एक
Mhm.
वॉरियर है, उसके बारे में कुछ बोलेंगे जो लोगों को लगे हाँ भाई यस, ये बंदे से बहुत इंस्पायर हो गया।
Yeah, definitely. I would like to say that my first attempt was November 20, and I cleared this July 21. But meanwhile, my half of the friends were having the first attempt at May 20, and so they are like 6 months earlier from me. And my articleship was ongoing while their attempt was there, so they were in the study period and leave. So as by before colleague said that you should always have to study by side with the classes only. You have to manage your articleship, your morning or evening classes timings, and plus your self timing for study. uh, it is not a hardcore that you study particularly this much hours. You just pick up yourself flexibility. Even if it is 10 minutes, it will worth it. वो कहते हैं ना, like बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है. So it is something like that uh, I used to travel from Bhiwandi to here, and because of articleships, I have to go till CST, Nariman Point, and everything. So what I strategy used is whatever we got teachings and all, I used to make summary notes, take a picture of it. So whenever I was in the train or a bus or something, we find it difficult to read the entire, open the book and read it. But if it is in your photo, so you can just quickly snapshot it. You just remember the head points about it. um, though you read only for 10 minutes, but trust me, this 10 minutes will give you a much more benefit and much more credit that at that time you won't realize, but during the time of the study schedule you will definitely realize it. And again, the plus point of this is that your notes which you are required to be prepared, this will happen side by side only. Yeah, because you are preparing your snapshots. Plus, talking about my ups and downs, the first thing was due to this corona and all, my I got a study leave, proper study leave from July, mid July, as my November 20 was the first attempt. And since before study, matlab, before study leave, I did not literally didn't even touch the book. Matlab, actually solved it. Just whatever I heard in the classes or made the notes, only that much thing I did. But what we can say a proper type of study, that has never happened because of the time constraint. So uh, actually, if you say that I opened the book and started the learning, it was from the July. But the backfall of was mine was that during the August period, my entire family got victim of the COVID. So, and at that period of time, there was problem of hospitals and isolation problem and everything. So it completely devastated my everything, whatever study plan or whatever you have ideas and made to be work out. So it was that, and it lasted for 1.5 month. Every that process. So by that time, it was mostly mid September. So you have two groups, and already it is September. November attempt is there. So mental pressure, though you have only, but whenever such tough period of times, life is uncertain. Whenever something like this happens, never lose hopes. Never say कि like अब तो कम time है तो चलो एक ही group करता हूँ and all. You, for backup plan, you study one group, but always give both group. You never know what is going to happen, what is there. Uh, देने से पहले ही हार मान लोगे तो फिर कैसे जीतोगे. It is like that. So all, even if you have 1 month, then also never do like that कि नहीं अब चलो एक ही group देता हूँ. You go for both group exams. though you prepared only one group, but you at least go and attempt your exam. This would what I would suggest. And definitely this helped me too, because of short span of time. The last subjects of the classes were DT, IDT, and economic law were mine. So it was most favorable to group 2 side for me, because that was what I recently studied, so I can achieve it very well. And group 1 was something which was happened at least 1 or 1.5 year back. So to read it, to again gaps it would take much more time than what group 2 would take. But I didn't matlab, literally give up group 1. I studied group 1 but gave it more priority to group 2, and I attempt the exam. And guess what, this is where the turning point happens. Yes, definitely SFM paper was very tough, and because of which I lose my group 1. But I cleared group 2. And the most unexpected thing that which was happened to me was the paper 4 law paper, which I never thought matlab, okay was gone mine, but I got exemption in paper 4. So if at that point of time if I had give up कि जाने दो अब group 1 नहीं देते हैं, then this one exemption benefit which if I give up then I would never received it. So it had helped me in July attempt. So see, if even if I didn't clear, then also it benefited it me in some and other manner. So I would just suggest that keep whatever ups and downs happens, never give up. You just go for it. Maximum loss what is happened, maximum you will fail, but fail is not a failure. It is a type of experiment. Think like you had gone for a mock test and you have received your result for the mock test. Just do go for it, because if even for going there, writing a paper, it also requires a lot much of strength and confidence. If you fail for building the confidence itself, so it is not possible to write the paper only. घर पे बैठ के पेपर लिखना is much easier and much like एकदम comfortable environment. Like go out of comfort zone and try it. You will understand it. I will just suggest that only. And yes, for July 21 attempt, I studied regularly, though it was only 3 papers, but I never did that कि अब तो 3 ही paper है तो थोड़ा leniency and time pass and all. No, I studied regularly. And there is no hardcore schedule that other people are learning for 12 hours, then I should also do for 12 and 13 hours. No, that is not a rule. Everybody has a different grasping power. So you plan accordingly, whatever your body admires it. Matlab in starting you may not directly jump to 12 hours. You start from 4, then 6, then 8, and then 12. And while in starting, though you are doing 4 hours, but for next 4 hours, don't just skip it. Do revision or do make planning. Uh, Ask your seniors that what they have done. Yeah, ask your colleagues only ki, how much they have completed, so that you get inspired from that ki, okay, you might have missed that part. You might have missed about the consolidation practice and all in your schedule, but by talking to them you may recover it. अरे यार ये तो मैं भूल गया था, अच्छा हुआ इससे बात करके याद आ गया. Because these are very small things, but when you make the entire schedule, you missed it out. Trust me, you literally missed it out, because I forgot that consolidation in my first attempt. And at last 1 month, I suddenly got strike when I watched the mock test paper. कि oh shit, I forgot consolidation. So this actually happens. मतलब by listening you will think कि यार ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता, but yeah, it happens. So uh, make plan accordingly. Ups and downs will always happen, and as ups and downs happen, you will enjoy it, because अगर directly if you sail through it तो मजा ही नहीं है ना. कुछ अगर efforts लगा तो ही तो you will feel कि yes, I have did it. I sail through it.
वेरी वेरी ट्रू हर्ष, थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत बढ़िया शेयर किया. बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है. वेरी फ्यू पीपल रिकॉग्नाइज कि उसने ऐसा क्या बोलते हैं, इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स पढ़ लिया, टेक्स्ट बुक गो थ्रू कर लिया, मॉड्यूल थ्रू कर लिया, वेरी ट्रू। एंड ये 10-10 मिनट से बहुत कुछ बन जाती है। दैट्स वेरी करेक्ट एंड ऑनेस्टली आपने शेयर किया सर, एक हाथ में भूल गया चैप्टर, वेरी ऑनेस्ट शेयरिंग। एंड मे बी दैट हैपेंस आउट ऑफ स्ट्रेस, आउट ऑफ एंजाइटी,
Yes.
आउट ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इवेंट एंड समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट मे हैपन, इट्स नॉट नॉट पॉसिबल। और बहुत ऑनेस्टली शेयर किया आपने, हाउ यू गॉट इट बैक
Yes.
बाय योर मॉक पेपर लिखा तो आपको पता चला। वेरी, जैसा सब लोग ने अभी तक बोला है, इंस्टीट्यूट का स्टडी मटेरियल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। मॉक टेस्ट बराबर,
Yeah.
तो डेली रीडिंग करो क्लास के साथ, वेरी वेरी कॉमन
Yes.
पॉइंट। सो आई
Hmm.
थिंक everybody should note that. And thank you, Harsh.
Yes.
Yeah.
One thing I would also suggest that if you have constraint of time and you can't do it, so just make sure that whatever difficulty you find, like in FR you find consolidation difficulty, so only that difficult part you try in writing. You just practice it. If you can't study entire thing, then just study the difficult ones in writing, because whatever we do by writing, you memorize it very quickly. So difficult ones will help you very much.
Correct, well said. वेरी वेरी करेक्ट एंड क्या बोलते हैं, आपने बहुत अच्छे से शेयर किया हाउ हार्ड वर्क पेस एंड जर्नी में अप्स डाउन्स होते हैं और उसके साथ जीना चाहिए। एंड घर पे
Yeah.
को इफेक्ट हो गया, बीमार हो गए, फिर भी आपने फाइट बैक किया, बहुत ही अच्छा।
Hmm.
इट्स इंस्पिरेशन टू ऑल ऑफ अस। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir.
बेस्ट विशेस, बाय। So we will invite the next superstar of ours. Yes.
Hi, sir.
Me?
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? Thank you for this opportunity.
Maybe I should thank you all that in spite of becoming transforming from a caterpillar to butterfly, फिर भी आप लोग आए, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि भाई you all have agreed to participate and help in this journey of helping the young aspirants to be more determined like you all. And
Sir, actually, like you mentioned, if I can influence even one person, that would be like, I would be the happiest person to do it. Like
yes,
sharing my journey, and if somebody is inspired, it would be really great.
या प्लीज। एंड जैसा मैंने सबको बोला, आप लोग सब टफ फाइटर है, ये डिफिकल्ट फेज से पास हो जाना एक अलग ही कामयाबी है जो हमेशा याद रहेगा।
True.
या प्लीज।
Yeah. So actually, I think people have shared a lot. So I
Sure.
will just try to keep it brief. But I would start by saying, like everybody mentioned, it is very important to study from the start. But I know it's a bit difficult with articleship and everything going on. Right now, work from home is going on. So I would say, so bhi thoda bahut time milta hoga. But if not, like Harsh mentioned, you should just try to keep some notes in your phone and during train traveling, or somehow you should just go through it so that you know you're just aware about the syllabus and what's going on, like what is going on in your classes and everything. For me, what worked was actually I was very punctual and very much like going to classes regularly and everything, and used to complete my notes every time. Even if I would miss any classes, I would try that even if I'm not able to write it, I would take Xerox from my friends and try to keep my notes complete. So then when it is study leave, when it is time to actually just go on in your books, then that time you're not wasting in collecting your notes or something like that. So that is very important. Like, and deciding on the material. Like I would say classes notes help, but also going through module is really important. Sticking to institute material is really very, very important. So rather than going here and there and trying authors books and everything, firstly you should try to complete module and classes notes, and then if you have time, I would say then you can go and try other things. But then just keeping the crisp notes ready is very important. Then secondly, knowing the syllabus, like what is in the subject is also very important, and what all important things are covered. Like you should also go through the cost benefit analysis. There are few things which will really not help you. You will end up wasting hours studying it. Like, but then you should know what to study and what to not. That is very, very important. And after that, I would say, like, go for strategy that works for you. Like, people will tell you everything, but then in the end you should know yourself and go for strategy. It is not very important to study in the morning, like 5 a.m., and everybody would say, but honestly, I was a night person. I used to study at night. So if that works for you, then you should go for that. It is not really important that morning or night or something. Whatever works for you is fine, I would say. Then when you're doing a first read, that time I would say making summary notes is really very important. When you have the summary notes, you will be able to do your second, third revision very quickly, and you will save a lot of time. That is very important. Time is money, like they say. So in CA final, it truly is. It will really, really, really help you. Trust me, you will cry for 1 second, for 1 minute, for everything. So when you have the summary notes, it is very important that you have them, and it is not necessary you make yours. If you have somebody who's made it, if they can share or from wherever, but try to have it. Then I would say when it is your second reading or revision and all, do only summary notes and solve. I will say solving is very important because for practical subjects, whatever sums and everything you will solve will help you to know how much time it takes, how much practice you need, how much more practice you need, and all of that. Then going through amendments, like amendments for your attempt is very important. If you have got an attempt, then going through amendments is again very important. And RTPs and MTPs, what were really, really helpful for me. Going through revision test papers, MCQs in RTP and MTP will help you. They will give you an idea about how the MCQs are being asked in the paper, because MCQs are an integral part of the paper now. They consist of 30 marks. So knowing how MCQs will be asked, how tricky it would be, is really, really very important to do. And paper solving, like for me, what worked was, since we had COVID restrictions, so we did not have mock test in person, but there were papers that were uploaded. So what I did was I was trying to solve them, particularly in between 2 to 5, and I used to wear a mask and study and write the paper so that it would give me the actual idea how the exam is going to be. Like I wanted to be fully prepared, so I did that. And something else I would like to add is try avoiding social media and something that consumes a lot of time. Like for me, it helped. I was not there on Instagram for a year, I think. And yeah, whenever there were exams, I was not on social media. That try being somewhere that will help you. Like YouTube, there is a lot of content that can help you. So you can go there, see videos that motivate you, like study content or everything that helps you. You can go through. Be in touch with people who are helping you to keep you motivated, giving you the right guidance. That is important. Knowing who is giving you the right guidance is also important. Don't be in competition, I feel. Like इसका इतना हो गया, इसका इतना हो गया. That will also demotivate you at times.
Perfect.
So that is also there. Also, taking breaks is equally important. You study for 8 hours, 12 hours, how many number of hours that works for you. But taking breaks at the right time is very important, so that mentally you are strong. You can study the next day. Sleep is also important. 7, 8 hours, whatever is appropriate for you. That should be also there. That should be taken care of. Eating healthy, all of that other factors is also important. And like Harsh mentioned, I would say rather than going for just one group, if possible, try giving both the groups, so that you can, there is, being very practical, there is a chance for set off as well. there are people I've seen who clear it in set off. So there may be a chance to clear both the groups, you never know. And everybody knows that in each group there is one paper which is going to be tricky, which is going to be very difficult. But I would say if you're trying both the groups, it will really help you. And you can, like, I had given both groups, that worked for me because November 20 I cleared the second group and I had exemption in FR. So I had to give only 3 papers, which was very big advantage, I would say. So that is also very important. And lastly, believing in yourself is very important. I had people who helped me know that they used to believe in me that you can do it, you can do it. So you keeping that is also important. You having that faith, you having that belief, being calm in exams is important. Right? When you get a tricky paper, also you should know that you have to keep the calm and then give your paper rather than panicking and wasting more of your time. And also one big thing, and this is like very important, everybody should get this in your head: completing the paper is even more important than anything else. Like, try writing the entire paper, which will really help you score, because कैसे तो भी 40 तो आ ही सकता है अगर पूरा पेपर लिखा तो definitely. So that would be a real big advantage if you complete the paper. And yes, this is all from my side. I think this is how the journey has been. Keep motivated. You are your biggest motivator, I would say. Just keep going, and know that till the end, till the time you've given your last paper, or till the time results are out, you're not a loser yet. So just wait for it. Just hope the best. Be positive, and just go for it. Believe in yourself. That's all.
Yeah. Great, Maitri. Very nice to hear that. Very practical. As she said, cost benefit analysis करो भाई, कितना समय लगाया, कितना फायदा हो गया. Very good. This is what we discuss in the class also. भाई एकदम बढ़िया बुद्धि रखो और सोचो भाई क्या लगा है, मिला. Very practical and बहुत अच्छे शेयर किया आपने. She used to write test. सब everybody share that कि writing the test, mock test is very important. And as very more practical आपने 2 to 5 किया, मास्क पहन के किया, बोला एकदम स्टिमुलेशन में आ गया. वो तो वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं स्टिमुलेशन वाला, आपने एग्जाम का गेम खेल लिया. आई थिंक यू ऑल आर जीनियस इन योर ओन वेज एंड वेरी इनोवेटिव, क्रिएटिव टू मेक इट मोर लाइव. एंड एज यू सेड, नॉट दैट मॉर्निंग पढ़ना चाहिए. यू आर अ person who can study in the night. Absolutely. Yeah. Motivate yourself. Give both the groups. Don't lose hope. Fantastic. Very nice, Maitri. And I'm super happy. And we are all very proud to be part of your journey.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Yeah, bye.
Hi, Khushbu. Welcome, Khushbu. Next. Yes, Khushbu. Your video is on, I think. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Khushbu. How are you? Good?
Yes, sir. I'm very good. And how are you, sir?
I'm good, fine, fantastic. And
yes,
very proud. And बहुत ही क्या बोलते हैं, आप लोग एकदम ही अलग कैटेगरी का सक्सेस पाया है विद.
Yes, sir. And it's only because of. Yes, sir. It's first priority for thanking. I would give it to the Mensa staff and obviously my parents, because अगर आप लोग नहीं होते ना तो I guess this was not possible only. It's such a huge course of 5 years and it is little bit complicated because of the articleship part. But once we go deep into the course, we will eventually make a habit of waking up early, be disciplined. We will start planning our things, and the more and more we grow and the more and more we take interest in this field, it's really, I'm also surprised that I did this course and I finished it, and it's like a huge achievement today. And coming on this part of the CA field now, it is not even I am not able to digest also still yet, and it is touchwood that I cleared it. So first of all, I am thanking to all the Mensa staff here, and I still remember that June 20. I still remember it. It was very game changing for me when the Corona started, and one session you took on online. I guess every Mensa faculty were available with us on online
Yeah.
lecture. And that time I remembered that you and Dhaval sir and Sameer sir and all of the staff members gave us inspiration that practice RTP and MTPs the most, because that was the time where we had the opportunity and ample of time available with us. And over there, I thought that before that, when there was an original attempt of May, till that time I only revised one RTP, one mock test papers, and after that I got to think about that ample of time which I had with me. And believe it or not, someone would take it as क्या यार 6 महीना और extend हो गया, क्या यार मतलब और time मिल गया, and everyone wants to be CA as early as possible. But I think that this was my opportunity that I got 6 months extra to prepare myself deeply more. So yeah, that was my takeaway. And
Good.
also for the difficulty part, I would say that because of my traveling period, I stay in Bhiwandi. It is not geographically feasible actually to say, because of the location and traffic problems, and we don't have transport so strong. So what I used to do is that whenever I used to travel in bus or train, I made sure myself that at least for half an hour I study there and there only. So
Correct.
half an hour in the morning and half an hour in the evening. I used
Correct.
to take that much time from my schedule. And also what I did was I had one or two very good friends who were in this field. So what I
Correct.
did was I initiated that will they be a part of my routine, like during the corona period I revised entire law with my friend on phone call. And
Achha.
believe me, yeah, and trust me, that helped me so much that because uh, in law there were some amendments which I skipped it and my friend knew it, and some amendments or concepts were which I knew it and my friend did not know it. So
Correct.
we discussed it on phone call, and that helped me so much, believe me. And this was one more way to study apart
Correct.
from self study. That is also one more way. And
Correct.
yeah, and another takeaway was that sleep. I actually sleep a lot from since my childhood till now also. I need proper sleep. Cannot survive only with 5 hours 6 hours sleep. I need proper 7 hours sleep. So what I did was I actually knew that because of time constraint I will not be able to complete my portion if I go for end of the days. So I used to study every day, all entire 3 years from where SFM classes started. First were
Correct.
the SFM classes. From
Correct.
that day onwards, I started studying. I do. I actually my friends were also saying that अभी से याद नहीं रहेगा, इतना क्यों पढ़ रही है. But I made sure कि मुझे जो problem है वो उनको नहीं समझ में आएगा. It's like that. So
Correct.
I made sure that I have to complete at least 3 revisions before my May attempt. It's good that we got more times to do times for revision. But yes, before my May attempt, I made sure that 3 attempts are a must. फिर देखा जाएगा कि एग्जाम में क्या आता है, वो अलग बात है. बट
Correct.
रिविजन होता है ना तो खुद पे सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, वैसा है.
Yes.
एंड for a practical paper, I would suggest that theory is a must, because मैंने SFM पेपर में गलती वही की थी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में कि थियोरी पार्ट को मैंने बहुत लाइटली ले लिया. इन केस अगर मैं थियोरी करके गई होती ना तो मैं पास हो भी सकती थी. तो दिस टाइम आई मेड श्योर कि जो 26 मुझे फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में आए थे उससे मुझे एग्जामिशन तक तो पहुंचना ही है. So that was my takeaway from difficulty part also. And yeah, uh, keep in touch with all the staff members of Mensa. I used to keep my doubts ready and contact it whenever it was feasible for me as well as for the faculty members. And yeah, I did, and also I used to, I made actually entire two notebooks for question papers, past question papers, where I wrote my all the answers and I evaluated it myself. So
Perfect.
before exam day, it gave me confidence कि मैं अगर 10 मिनट भी वो जो भी मिस्टेक्स है मैंने रेक्टिफाई मतलब जो भी मिस्टेक्स लिख के रखे हैं ना वो मैं देख के जाओ एक बार गो थ्रू करूँ. एंड दैट ऑल्सो हेल्प मी कि मुझे ऐसा फील होता था कि एग्जाम के पहले भी मैंने 5-6 अटेम्प्ट के पेपर्स देख लिए. तो यू नो मेंटल गेम भी है ये कि मेंटल सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है. तो these all strategies were very helpful for me also. And one more thing is कि I used to always study short, like short concepts, फिर दूसरे किसी के शॉर्ट कंसेप्ट. वैसा मुझसे कभी भी ऐसा पूरा चैप्टर एक साथ तो होता ही नहीं था, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. एंड फॉर ऑडिट एंड लॉ इट इज ऑलवेज रिकमेंडेड टू स्टडी वेरी शॉर्ट, बिकॉज शॉर्ट इन द सेंस कि स्किप मत करो बट शॉर्ट कंसेप्ट पे ध्यान दो वैसा. एंड स्टडी एवरीथिंग. इट इज नॉट अ 10th स्टैंडर्ड और यू से HSC एग्जाम की कोई भी कंसेप्ट स्किप कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो कि ICI कहाँ से कोई भी क्वेश्चन MCQ में पूछ ले या फिर वैसा सब. तो yeah, this was it, and today I feel very happy.
Khushbu, very, very nice. We are very, very proud and we thank you all and super proud to be part of your journey. Thank you very much. And very quickly said, you practiced many
Thank you,
papers,
sir.
mistake go through kiya. Super.
Yes, sir.
I hope
Thank
this
you,
helps
sir.
make their strategies.
Yeah, sir.
Thanks. Bye-bye. We have the last person, Himesh. Himesh is there, Monica. Yes, Himesh.
Yes,
We can't see you. You have to put your video on.
I can't actually.
If you put that video button is there, you just जिधर क्रॉस होगा उसको अनक्रॉस करना है आपको.
Sir,
Can you hear
actually,
me?
yeah, sir, I can hear you.
Yes, please. Yeah, you can join again. अभी दिख रहा है Himesh. You
Yes,
can
sir.
see you.
Yeah, sir.
Nice seeing you, Himesh. वही बोला आप एकदम सब प्रैक्टिस रिवीजन वाला रहता ना आप, तो आपका वीडियो नहीं दिखेगा ऐसा हो नहीं सकता था. 2-3 बार ट्राई किया ही रहेगा. यू आर क्या बोल रहे वेल प्लान मैन.
Yes, sir.
सो नाइस
Planning.
Himesh. एकदम सुपर हैप्पी, सुपर प्राउड. एकदम आप लोग बोलते ना एकदम टफ फाइटर लोग है. इतना डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में भी इतना बड़ा एग्जाम पास कर दिया. So very, very happy to be part of your success journey. So welcome.
Thank you, sir.
And please share whatever experiences you had. And जैसे हमने बात किया, एक आध जन भी इंस्पायर हो गया तो बढ़िया.
Yes, sir. Sir, to begin with, first I will like to start talking about the attitude which I developed during this, specifically in the articleship period. During the articleship period, even my attitude was like, I should work for 10 to 7 and then I should be leaving, whatever might be the status of the work, whether it is done or it is undone. Well, actually, that should not be the real attitude. Your attitude should be the like that if it is given to me, if it is on my table, if then it has to be finished by. You should be the person responsible. जो responsibility वाला चीज है वो होना चाहिए. एंड सेकेंडली जो इंस्टीट्यूट ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम GMCH प्रोग्राम ये सब जो ऑर्गेनाइज करता है वहाँ पे जो फैकल्टीज आते हैं बताने के लिए गाइड करने के लिए बहुत दे आर हाईली पेड वेरी फैकल्टीज आर देयर एंड दे आर सो नॉलेजेबल दैट उनका वो एक 1 आवर का सेशन 4 आवर का सेशन भी इट्स नॉट इवन सफिशिएंट फॉर अस टू टेक. So it's just a very short thing. Whatever we have, we can just write it down and just take away. जैसे पता चला कुछ अच्छा है, it's important. It can guide you in future. So it's possible that you can just write it down. So first thing what I experienced in orientation program was there was one concept which they taught us, and the faculty's name was Ram sir. He taught us about the SMART goals point. That goals should be smart, it should be specific, measurable, and etc. Many people might be aware of that. So you should write your goals. I have written my goal that I want to clear my CA final exam in July 21. I have literally written down in a piece of paper in an affirmation statement. So I think, yeah. And Ram sir, in that orientation program, we were shown one case study also where the professionals, where the successful people who have written their goals, they were more successful than the persons who have not written their goals. जब तक हमें पता ही नहीं है कि हमें करना क्या है, वो क्लियर ही नहीं है विजन, तब तक हम लोग उस एग्जैक्ट पाथवे को हम इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते कि व्हाट दिस रूट आई हैव टू टेक और वेदर अनदर वन. सो दैट इज वन थिंग वी शुड लुक इनटू. एंड आर्टिकलशिप जो है फिर that articleship period is very crucial. That can really final paper में हम लोग ने नोटिस किया है.
Hello. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, please continue.
Hello. Yeah. CA फाइनल एग्जाम्स में मैंने नोटिस किया है काफी सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी मेरे टच में थे जो हो गए थे मेरे पहले भी क्लियर. उनसे मैंने बात किया, उन्होंने बोला हैंड राइटिंग डजंट मैटर, योर कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी इज व्हाट एक्चुअली मैटर्स. So you should focus only on concepts. तुम ऐसे चार्ट बनाने के पीछे मत जाओ. So that thing is really important to take a note of. So articleship period में हम जो सीखते हैं वो हमें कहीं ना कहीं CA फाइनल स्टडीज में भी काम आता है. वो ही हम प्रैक्टिकली जब भी कर रहे हैं आर्टिकलशिप में, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर स्टडीइंग इन CA फाइनल स्टडी. सो दैट पर्सपेक्टिव अगर हम इंस्टीट्यूट के मटेरियल्स देखेंगे तो उसमें एडवांस लैंग्वेज होती है. सो वो एडवांस लैंग्वेज हमें नेसेसरी नहीं है कि हमें वो ही लिखनी है. योर कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर. द एग्जामिनर व्हाट ही और शी इज एग्जामिनिंग द पेपर, इफ योर कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर, आपने कोई भी इजी लैंग्वेज में लिखा तो भी यू विल गेट गुड मार्क्स. ऑब्वियसली प्रोफेशनल जैसा थोड़ा डिफरेंट इट मैटर करेगा, बट डेफिनेटली इट विल नॉट गेट यू 0 एटलीस्ट. दैट वन थिंग शुड बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. आर्टिकलशिप का पीरियड बहुत क्रूशियल होता है. उसमें जितना टाइम हो सके वी शुड क्लियरली वर्क विद वेरी गुड थिंग्स. अच्छे एटीट्यूड से काम करना चाहिए. हमें जो काम मिलता है वी शुड टेक इट. या हम अगर आइडल भी बैठे हैं देन वी शुड इन्फॉर्म आवर प्रिंसिपल दैट प्लीज गिव मी सम वर्क, not the monotonous work or not the clerical work, but you should be able to answer, or you should be able to ask or request your principal that I want to work in this field. मुझे ये फील्ड में आगे एक्सेल करना है. If you are clear, your mind is clear कि मुझे क्या करना है, then it is very much possible that you can achieve whatever your dreams are. अगर हमें पता नहीं है कि ये है वो है चलते रहेगा, then वैसे ही
गोल लिखा. आपने बढ़िया बताया कि योर गोल हैज टू बी रिटन वेरी करेक्ट. सो आई थिंक दैट इज वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टेक होम.
Yes sir. Secondly, one thing is you should be updated whatever institute steps is taking. इंस्टीट्यूट हमारे लिए स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कौन से सेमिनार्स एंड ऐसे कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है, यू शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. हमें पार्टिसिपेटिंग एटीट्यूड रखना चाहिए. ताकि हमें थोड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट का क्या इंटेंशंस है वो हमें पता चले कि इंस्टीट्यूट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कितना कर रहा है, कुछ एफर्ट्स है नहीं है। जो भी हमने बहुत ऐसे नोटिस करते हैं जीएमसीएस एंड वो सब प्रोग्राम्स को काफ़ी लोग सीरियसली लेते नहीं, बट that is a very opportunity kind of a course which we should actually try to gain some knowledge from it. It is very much useful, very much. And if I talk about the strategy for studies, मेरा personally मैंने जब सी ए फाइनल स्टार्ट किया था, when I sat for the first lecture I didn't knew what was the syllabus. After some time मैंने देखा कि अच्छा I have to study for 8 subjects and there was one elective paper. So elective paper के लिए मैंने पहले से मेरी strategy decide कर ली थी कि मुझे ये पेपर में more than 60-70 plus चाहिए, so that it will cover my aggregate also. This is the strategy which we need to think before we start studying. This is personally my opinion. अगर हमें पता है कि कौन से सब्जेक्ट में हमको ज्यादा मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकते हैं, कौन से सब्जेक्ट में हम स्ट्रांग है, तो हमें उस हिसाब से तैयारी करके हम उसमें ज्यादा मार्क्स ला सकते हैं. When I started my elective paper का studies, I already was done with my 50% portion. It was an open book exam, so I was I just have to prepare how I have to look the paper and answer कैसे करना है उसे. तो मैंने उस पर्सपेक्टिव से स्टडी किया था. 50% से मेरा काम हो गया था. एंड व्हेन आई गेव माय फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, तब नवंबर 20 में मुझे 74 मिले थे. सो दैट पेपर वाज totally exempt for me in the next attempt. Although I couldn't clear, but since now in July 21 I gave my exam and then I cleared. So I knew कि मुझे पढ़ना कितना था, मुझे ये पढ़ना था, मुझे वो पढ़ना था. सेकेंडली फिर हमें जब स्टार्ट करना है तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले तुम क्लास के साथ जो चल रहा होता है उसके साथ तुम्हें मैचअप होना पड़ेगा. Whatever, if you are joining any class, then if you are going to any class or you are studying virtually, you should match up. Whatever is taught in class, you should revise at home once. एक बार तो रिवीजन होना ही चाहिए, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल दैट हम एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले जो पढ़ते हैं वो हमें इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट डे एग्जाम के दिन याद आएगा. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, प्रैक्टिकली नॉट पॉसिबल. हमने जो 1 साल पहले 6 महीने पहले पढ़ा रहेगा प्रॉपर माइंडसेट से, दैट विल ओनली हेल्प. वही हेल्प करेगा, वही याद आएगा हमको तभी. तो इट इज वेरी मच possible for us also to take a 15 minutes time to after the class or after any time before the next class begins, before the next concept or next chapter begins. तो हमें वो चीज के लिए एक टाइम निकालना चाहिए, एक थोड़ा रिवीजन करना चाहिए. नहीं समझेगा, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. वो कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे नहीं समझा, क्लास में नहीं समझा था, अभी भी नहीं समझेगा, छोड़ो जाने दो. दैट एटीट्यूड इज नॉट हेल्पिंग फॉर प्रोफेशनल्स. You should give some time. आप देखो, बैठो. You should try. You should not give up for anything. Next thing is for starting the studies, for when your studies are ongoing, institute के papers को analyze करो. I personally analyze papers of institute, especially of audit, especially of corporate laws. These both papers, and then later on I analyze the tax papers, DT and GST. सो मैंने एनालाइज किया, मुझे पता चला उसमें कि हाउ इंस्टीट्यूट इज आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस, उसका वेटेज क्या है, कौन से क्वेश्चन को कितना वेटेज देता है, हाउ द पैटर्न इज, कौन से चैप्टर के ऊपर वो ज्यादा फोकस करता है. एंड फिर मैंने देखा कि सजेस्टेड आंसर में हाउ दे आर प्रेजेंटिंग द आंसर, वो भी एक इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर इंस्टीट्यूट के एंगल से हम लोग आंसर नहीं करते हैं, देन दैट ऑल्सो विल नॉट हेल्प. मतलब एटलीस्ट योर कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी इज देयर, दैट इज फाइन, बट थोड़ा इट शुड लुक प्रोफेशनल. कोई पेपर्स में अभी डायरेक्ट टैक्स है एंड अदर पेपर्स आर देयर, जैसे इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स है. दिस इज अ प्रैक्टिकल पेपर वेयर यू नीड सम काइंड ऑफ अ प्रॉपर थियरी फॉर द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑल्सो, कि मैंने ये फिगर मेडिक्लेम का है तो ये मैंने क्यों लिया है. दैट इज द थिंग विच इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर पेपर्स. अकाउंटिंग एंड एक्सेट्रा, उनमें भी नोट्स होते हैं, बट इट इज नॉट दैट मच स्पेसिफिक. हमें जो डीटी के पेपर में आंसर देना होता है वो हम फिगर लिखते हैं आंसर में, देन आई हैव टू गिव द एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो दैट इज अ फिगर स्पेसिफिक नोट विच आई हैव टू गिव. तो हर फिगर का आंसर इज नॉट सेम, हर फिगर का प्रोविजन इज नॉट सेम. सो दैट इज नॉट नीड टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. हाउ इंस्टीट्यूट इज एक्सपेक्टिंग देख लिया, मैंने पेपर्स भी एनालाइज, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ अभी मैं पढ़ाई स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ। अभी अगर मैंने नहीं भी, अगर किसी ने अभी तक पढ़ाई नहीं भी किया रहेगा, पेपर्स एनालाइज नहीं किए रहेंगे, सजेस्टेड गो थ्रू नहीं किया रहेगा, दैट पर्सन कैन गो थ्रू टुडे ऑल्सो, he can do today also, अभी भी देख सकते हैं, there is no time for that as such, but yeah it is also a part of studying। ऐसा नहीं है कि वो studies करने का part नहीं होता है, it is a waste of time, it is really important time which is to be invested in। हमने वो कर दिया, it will be a very helpful thing for us to plan our studies कि हाँ ये institute का weighted वाला chapter है, this I need to focus on, this is what institute is expecting from me। Then if that is the case, if that is in my hand, then I can study the way institute is expecting me to answer in the question paper।
Perfect.
And if it is possible, थोड़ा knowledge update भी होना चाहिए। Recently in during I think May 20 और November 20 के time पे institute had released some knowledge update for costing। It was not a part of syllabus, but it referred to some integrated reporting and some sort of that part। Institute clarified that that is not a part of syllabus, but yeah, इससे मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है that we should be updated with the any announcement, and if at all possible जो भी हमें RTP एंड वो सब रिलीज होता है वो भी एक बार रेफर करना चाहिए। वहां पे भी काफी सारे नए कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऐड होते हैं, न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट इमीडिएटली मॉड्यूल में वो लोग रिलीज नहीं करेंगे, तो उसके बाद दे में एड अप इन द RTP और एनी अदर मटेरियल। So recently also in SFM paper there was one beta type of concept there was there, it was added in this attempt। I couldn't crack it, then I had to leave, so it was a very new thing। So exam के एक दिन पहले पढ़ना, and recently it was very difficult, so I just thought that it's better that what we have already studied वो ही बेटर।
नहीं, that's देखो, some percentage of questions are always new only, that is some बोलते ना एक 5-10 मार्क का तो रहता ही है, that is always थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग, you have to be trained to be, एक पेपर ही पूरा ट्रिक ही रहता है, one question तो very obvious।
Right, that is true।
Umesh, बहुत अच्छा लगा,
yes।
very tips we got from you, thank you, and very very proud to be part of your journey, and thank you for inspiring all of us। Thank you, Umesh।
Thank you, sir। yes।
Thanks, then। Bye bye।
Yeah।
So thank you all for joining this session। We'll try to have one more session in the following weeks with the other participants जो भी है। Okay, thank you, bye bye, thank you।